Hi guys, Chris here from SYS. Really excited to be here at MACH 2022. Please come by and visit us at our car Fulham stand where we're showcasing the latest in Stratasys 3D printing and additive manufacturing technology. As you can see, we've brought the latest in industrial production FDM systems. We've got the Fortress 450, ideal for jigs, fixtures, prototyping, ways in which you can obviously streamline processes on the shop floor. Even more exciting, we've got the F900. Now this is the largest industrial Stratasys 3D printer on the market. As you can see, it's a huge scale, just shy of a metre cube. Again, printing jigs, fixtures, tools, prototype parts, and even end-use components this. As you can see, the scale of this 3D printer is incredible. I'll just take you around. We've also got the 370 here. So this is an office-based FDM solution. Again, it's still got the Stratasys patented technology using a heated chamber, servo motors, all the advanced technology, which gives us that reliability and repeatability. Again, this being used for the likes of prototyping, jigs and fixtures, and in some cases end-use parts for certain applications. We're showcasing some samples here. As I said, it's been 4 years since MACH. So excited to showcase what we're doing within the engineering and the production environment. Customers been able to print the likes of work holding and soft jaws for their CNC machine tools, as well as prototype parts to write programs on CMM and fixtures, fixturing across the whole shop floor. This is what's exciting. This is what we're here to share with people, and we really want people to come down so we can have a discussion about this. Just quickly show you. As you can see, the benefits of 3D printing is look how we've taken the negative of this part, the complexity in which you can print, where you're not adding the time and cost that associate if you try to machine that on your traditional CNC machinery. What else we've got here is some exciting new technology from Stratasys, including our SAF technology, which is a powder bed fusion technology. So we're using powder polymers and we're binding that using infrared light and resin. We've also got our Origin technology, which is using an evolved DLP. It's called P3, which stands for Programmable Photopolymerization. And again, both these technologies are taking us into that stratosphere of additive manufacturing. Thousands of parts a year, end-use components, real-life case studies for materials that can be used out in manufacturing. One of our oldest technology, our Polyjet, again, blowing people's minds. Come down and have a look. This is giving you the benefits of advanced prototyping. Full colour, CMF models, form, fit, function, rubber prototypes, you name it. This gives you the opportunity to get photorealistic prototypes in your hand in a matter of hours. We've got some really exciting stuff, and we're showcasing our J35, which is our latest addition to our Polyjet range. Harness the capability to print 3 materials all at the same time, simultaneously. Whites, clears, rubbers, but also to take it one step further, we can mix them materials. But anyway, I think it'd be great for you to take the opportunity to come down, visit us in Hall 20, stand 460, so we can showcase you all this great technology and talk to you about your applications. See you soon.